Hey guys, this is Ashish Mishra. Today I'm going to show you that how Appium can be run on multiple nodes, and I'll be basically trying to show it to you on one laptop. So think of it as that I'm doing it over a LAN or a WAN, but I'm showing it to you only on one LAN laptop right here. So this area, if you see, you'll see that I have a laptop. I got two phones which are actually my nodes, and using this, which will be actually having the app for CI, Jenkins, and then from here I'm going to launch my test. So if I go to my controller screen, so Jenkins right now is running on this. It is the master. I also need to start my Selenium or other Appium grid, which is not active at this point. So I'm going to start that now. I got some batch files to run that. So this is to run the hub. So hub is being launched. It's up and running. I'll go back to confirm and good. Now I'll go back to start another node, which is phone number 1. So I got two phones over here. I call them Samsung White and Samsung Black. So I got a script for Samsung White right here. So let me start Samsung White. So what this node is going to do now is that it's going to look for the hub and it's going to connect to that. So as you can see on this line, it says Appium successfully registered with grid on localhost 444. So that means that the Samsung White phone has been registered right there. And just like that, I will add one more node. For demonstration purposes, I'm using only 2 nodes. I can have as many as I want. So it's trying to register, and it did successfully. And if I go back to the console, I will see that. So right now I got 2 nodes active on Selenium Appium grid. Now I have a test. Let me show it to you on my phone. The app I'm going to test is ATA calculator app, which is a pretty simple app. If you see, there are 2 fields, and then I got lots of radio buttons with options like add, multiply, and so on. And then this is the output field where it's going to be showing the output, and calculate is basically going to do that action. So if I were to run a test manually, obviously I will run like this, 12, and then 8, add, calculate, and at the bottom of the screen right here, I see 20. So that's my test. I would like to do this simple test with this app, which is also there on these 2 mobile phones. So the phone that I'm holding in my hands at this point, this is going to act as the CI launcher. So it's going to basically connect to this laptop, which is actually at this point Appium grid as well as Jenkins. And let me look for that app now. There it is. And this is configured. So I'm going to launch that. And the job I would like to run is Colombia mobile demo. I'll choose that. And this is the play button. I'm going to play that. It's confirming. I'm saying yes. Trigger the build. So build was triggered. Anytime now, it's going to show me that blinking dot on this screen. There you go. So the build has been launched. I'm just going to the console of that. That's the console, and the test should be launched on these 2 phones. There you go. It has launched on those 2 phones. In parallel, 2 tests are being run. And those are the fields in which it's going to type the values. And it's going to scroll up after choosing the option. All those things have been built into the script. And click on calculate, and it's going to check for that, whether the test has passed or failed. And if I go back to console, and if everything ran fine, it will be turning blue. If it fails, it will turn red, obviously. So that's how I can actually run my test from anywhere, as long as I have access to my Jenkins on CI. Thank you so much.